Does factory tint give you sun protection? Or is it just privacy? You go into a tint shop and you say, oh yeah, I got factory tint on the back, I don't need any more. And the first thing they're going to tell you is, oh, that's just privacy. It doesn't give you much sun protection. Is that true? Let's see. I can meter it right now. 21% light transmitted, 97% UV protection, and 90% infrared. 90% infrared is really good. That's the only thing that's not good, is the 97% UV protection. Now if I take a piece of tint, with the tint in there, you're getting 100% UV protection, 98.4 infrared, and 4.5 visible light. That's if you put 20 on top of factory. So yes, the tint helps. You're at 100% UV protection right now. But back to, is it any different than this clear front window? .5% light, 58.6 UV, 75.6 infrared. So you got 58.6 UV and 97% UV. Long story short, yes, factory tint does help. It is in the glass, not on the glass. Whatever you put on your front windows will be aftermarket. When they manufacture the vehicle, they do not know where it's going to go. A lot of states do not allow film on the front windows. That's why they are always clear, and the backs will have some kind of tint on it. Does have infrared rejection. Doesn't have 100% UV protection. So yes, it does give you sun protection. Yes, putting tint on it helps. Definitely for the fronts too, because that's not very good. That's at 75%. After we're done, it's going to be in the 90s with 100% UV protection. Almost couldn't get that out. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Factory tint in the glass does give you some protection, but you can't have more. If you put some tint on it, it will help, especially on the fronts. Till next time.